It's the Rua de Tome Pires, and this is a little marketplace. So we're gonna walk down this one in a minute, and it should be kind of cool. Another marketplace behind me too, and that one has like more stands in the middle of it. But that has a different name street, and this is gonna be the one that we're gonna do. So let's get started. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Tome Pires. So we're gonna head on down our street. We're gonna go check it all out. Let's get started and see what's all down in here. First of all, you got fruits and vegetables. You got bags over there. You got bags over here too. You got more fruit on the corner. This one, they're selling something. Looks like they're selling like a blender or something. Looks like they're gonna mix it all together, I think. This looks like it's a Korean product. Or at least that thing is written in Korean. Yeah, they're all written in Korean. Might be a good product. I like things from Korea or Japan. So that's the beginning of our market. This one is a Vietnamese market right here. Thailand, so this is all Thai, and then I think inside it's Vietnamese, I think, because I see Vietnamese. Or this is the Vietnamese one, maybe. That's definitely Thai stuff. Yeah, this is the Vietnamese one. So yeah, you got like your spring rolls. So yeah, it looks like this is all Vietnamese here, and then the other one is Thai. Or that's, at least that stuff we were looking at was Thai. Which may tasty right there. So yeah, more stuff down here. Lots of fresh vegetables. More stuff that goes all the way down that way. It's kind of tasty too. Okay, so what we're gonna do is kind of try to capture more of this. So we capture some of this duck. More fruits. Yeah, a little something for everybody. You got vegan and you have meat too. More fruits and vegetables. More stuff that goes all the way down. There's a certain smell right there. I used to live in Korea next to a big market that was like this. It was pretty, really large. And it had the smell that I smell right now. So I don't know what it is in this corner that has that smell, but it's really similar. Because usually the markets in Korea are very distinct, and then the ones in China are very distinct too, depending on the vegetables and stuff that they eat, right? Those are Indonesian right there. There's it's kind of a popular area for Indonesians. Go see the Three Lanterns District. It's pretty tasty as well. And that one looks like it's really tasty right there too. It's really loading up some fresh eggs there. Then the street's gonna end down there, but I think as far as streets go, I think that's gonna be it for us. because we got a lot of stuff that we just filmed from this space that's interesting, I think, for viewers. So maybe we'll just kind of go back real quick and do a quick recap of this one, because we're gonna do another street in a minute. Sometimes when you come back a second time in the opposite direction, you see something a little bit different. Those two are speaking Indonesian. Yeah, this market's popular for everybody, right? Anybody that wants fresh meats, fruits and vegetables, this is a good place to come down to. These are Vietnamese again. This box has stuff written in Vietnamese. This one, there's some of it was Thai, it might be a mix of other stuff too. There's something that was written in Vietnamese on that one. Thank you. Okay. So I guess we'll end it right back here again. So this is the beginning where we all started at again. So we'll probably do a different one. We'll see what we do. So we'll go all the way to the end and then we'll turn around and... So there you go.